What a scary title. Don't watch this. It might be scary. Like, what is the Betong all about today that we don't want you guys to watch? Actually, it's been a while since I do something like this, and I know you guys are actually missing out. You're kind of like missing me, and I'm missing you guys too. Ever since my wife gave birth and we are moving to a new apartment, so I mean it's really difficult to handle everything at once. So I'm gonna be back, let's say 1 or 2 weeks from now, and I have an amazing package for you guys. Lots of stuff coming that I want us all to take advantage of and make lots of money together. The bull market is approaching, and I want us all who are part of this platform, you say you are subscribed to my channel, I want you to be successful. I want you to make lots of money. I want you to make lots of profit investing in cryptocurrency. I'm here because you are there, and you are there because I'm here. So it's really it has been a pretty good journey so far, with you guys, trying to be with you guys, like share my ideas with you guys, share my experiences with you guys. And I feel pretty good about it, like coming here, talking to with you guys, or talking to you guys. I miss this. I know most of you always see me come here every day, share content with you. You haven't just seen my content for a while now. Like, you're asking yourself, like, what's going on with the Betong? What's going on? Like, what is happening? Well, nothing special or nothing new, just same old going on with me. And as I mentioned, you guys are the best. But today I don't want to beat around the bush. Let's just go straight away to see what I got for you guys today. I'm gonna be, it wouldn't be like the normal kind of show that I usually do. It's gonna be different. Actually, right now I'm in a cafe. You can see the chairs here, and I'm sitting around like in the area where I can talk, and I have my noise cancellation here. So I don't know if you guys are hearing any noise, like background noise. I'm sorry about that, but if you are not hearing any noise, then that's good. It means my noise cancellation device is working. Yeah. If say you actually followed my videos back then you should have seen this. Bitcoin actually is doing well. If say I look at Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin, um yeah, you can see that I talk a lot recently about Bitcoin because I want you guys to understand the value of Bitcoin when it comes to cryptocurrency. If you understand Bitcoin, then there's no way you're not gonna make money investing in cryptocurrency. But if say you don't understand Bitcoin, then it will be difficult for you to actually be successful in this space. I I always want to stress out on the fact that you should focus on Bitcoin, because when you focus on Bitcoin, you have a direction that you focus. Now you can see this is a perfect structure. Those of you who have been part of my channel for a long time now, what I focus solely on. I focus solely on support and resistance. And yeah, we break this support. We break this support, and now this support has become resistance. This before it was support, and now it is resistance. If Bitcoin doesn't break this resistance to the upside, right, then we might see Bitcoin play what I mentioned. You can see Bitcoin go right down to, maybe I think that is gonna be, let's see, can see Bitcoin go right down to about $25,000. Yeah, 24,000. This is it. So this is a level where we can see Bitcoin go to. If say that doesn't play out, if say Bitcoin, you can see I already have this um this speculation here, like this long line here that shows where we might expect Bitcoin to go. So yeah, if say Bitcoin doesn't break that level, then we might expect Bitcoin to get that point in time. So what I can say to you guys is, if say you want to buy Bitcoin now, don't actually like buy it with everything you got. Or if say you are looking at Bitcoin to buy other altcoins, then I don't think now is the time for you to actually buy those altcoins. I'm gonna tell you guys where you're gonna buy this altcoin. Now look at this structure properly. Like take a look. Like guys, I want you to pay attention to this because it's gonna help you a lot. Let me close down this. No, let me take down this back. What did I do here? Okay, so let me show this delete phone. I want to delete this. Let me see. Okay, so this structure is a perfect structure that if say Bitcoin breaks this, breaks this resistance, yeah, to the upside, that's when you can start looking at ways to buy other altcoin, and you're gonna break and come to the level. If say it comes to the level and break right up, then come back down, that's when you wanna buy. Like that's when you wanna go into all your altcoins, then get back to this level. If say it goes back to this level, then you can take out profits and wait for a pullback, maybe then you buy back and take it right in. So I mean, it's really important that you pay attention to all these levels that I always show you guys. I want you guys to be successful investing in cryptocurrency, and there's no need for you guys to just rush in and buy stuff without you guys knowing what you're buying. It's always recommended that you buy stuff because you know what you're buying. And like one of the mistakes that I've made in the past is just going into the market buying random stuff without me understanding what I'm buying. When someone tells me buy this, I'm not gonna buy it without knowing what I'm buying. So it's kind of like it's like you're going to somewhere and you don't know where you're going to. You don't have the proper or the actual direction where you are going to. So it's kind of like scary, right? Scary, to see that I've lost money because of that. And most of you might think you know so much, but you don't know so much. All right. So you always have to make sure you are doing the right thing, and don't right, don't don't like just go and dive right away, buy whatever you want to buy. Right. So it's very important you know what you're doing and you do it accordingly. Now let's just go let me show you guys what I've been doing in the past. If say there's any coin you want me to do, let's say today. If say, I don't even know how many people are watching. Usually I just come here and let me check my phone to see how many people are watching, so I can know if say you're watching, just say hi to me. It's been a while now. At least saying hi to me is not gonna kill you. But let me just see how many people are watching. Okay, only one person. The one person is watching. Well, it's normal. Whenever I'm live, I don't know why the YouTube algorithm doesn't really show my lives to my subscribers. I don't know why they do that, but I just gonna let me see if I can share this right now. I can see someone says hi. Nelson Obioma says hi. Okay. Nelson, thanks for watching. It's good to have someone here at least. Usually I just come here and I'm used to talking to the camera to an extent that when I come here, I don't care if there's someone, at the other side watching, looking at me. I always believe that someone is gonna watch it afterward because at times I just pop up randomly. But let me share with my group. If you can share share this to any other platform out there. Maybe I have some people who might have some questions. I can answer those questions. Yeah, so that's it. But looking at the market, if say you follow my content closely, I told you guys to sell sell half. If you did sell half of your crypto, then you should be good buying it now. Look, okay, I want to take some time to tell you this, to talk to you about this now. What you should understand is this: it doesn't matter if say you are down 50% and you're like, okay, I'm down, I bought Bitcoin, or I bought maybe Dogecoin, or I bought Floki when it was like, let's say you bought Floki for $200 or $50, and the price, like your dollar value is about, let's say, $40. Like you bought, now you are, I mean, you are down like $10, right? Or you're down $20, and the price of Floki is actually down, and the market sentiment doesn't look that good, right? Doesn't look that good, and you're still holding Floki, thinking that Floki is gonna go up. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's Floki or what. You're thinking it's gonna go up, but that's not how it works. That's how most people think, or that's what most people do. If say they buy a crypto and the price of that crypto goes down, they're like, oh, let me wait for you to see if it's gonna go up before I sell. No, don't do that. If you do that, you can fall, can be caught up in a bear trap, right? Always make sure you look at what is going on in the market, like what are investors doing. Yesterday I was doing this, I was sharing this with one of my junior person, and I told him that when you look at these candles, like this is the daily time frame. Now let me go to the 4 hour time frame. With the 4 hour time frame, let me do this. Like you can see, these red candles and green candles are either from like a sentiment of buyers and sellers, what they are feeling or their reaction to the market, or how they behave or how they respond to market conditions. If you see red candles like this, it means sellers are taking out profit or are getting out of the market or of their positions. And if you see green candles, it means buyers are getting involved to buy more. Now, if say you are a buyer, if say you just want to be buying or DCA, like buy your crypto, you have to pay attention to levels. You have to make sure you look at the market on a higher time frame. Like now is a daily time frame, or you can go to the monthly time frame. You need to look at the market like at the bigger picture. What is happening in the market long term? Like, let me go to the weekly time frame. You can see from the weekly time frame, you can see what is going on in the market. Like, is the market like, is it as if Bitcoin is tumbling or is going down? No, Bitcoin is not going down like tumbling, or your crypto is not going down like tumbling. It's just like a simple retracement after a pump, which is normal. After a pump, people cash out profit, and you can see here the profit is being taken from this level, like from this resistance level. This is where sellers say, okay, now I think I want to get out from the market, I'll cash out some profit. If say you understood this level, you know that there might be a pullback during this level. Like investors will react when the price comes to this level. Then if say you are a buyer, regardless of if say you are in profits or not, you get out from the market, or you sell 75% of your portfolio, right, waiting for a pullback, and you get in again cheaper, hoping to get like for the price to push more to the upside. So when that happens, you're gonna make more money or accumulate more of that coin. Remember, you are looking at this long term, not short term. Okay, you go to the market, you bought crypto or Bitcoin, the price fell. It's okay. It's not as if that's the end of everything. Now you zoom out and say, okay, looking at the structure, support and resistance, I want to make sure I time the market somehow. You cannot be accurate, but you can actually take advantage of the movement. Now you say, okay, looking at support and resistance, if say Bitcoin breaks this support and this resistance here, I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin or sell half my Bitcoin and wait to buy if say the price comes back to this level, and if say Bitcoin doesn't actually succeed to come back to this level. For example, look at this. If say you follow this this rule here, that whenever you see your crypto break your resistance or your support, then you're gonna sell it to buy it back. Like for example, you would have bought Bitcoin here, right, and the write-on would have given you more profit in addition to what you left inside. So these are the kind of knowledge I want to share with you guys. Always I want to I want you guys to learn, like always, because it helps you to accumulate long term. Not everyone have the luxury to not everyone have the luxury to make, let's say, that they make €1,000 a month or €2,000 a month, that maybe they can keep aside $10 to buy crypto every now and then. You can use just $100 of Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever crypto you are buying, right, to keep recycling like you, recycling like you keep doing this, performing these tasks. Now I'm able to speak, performing these tasks over and over. Let us stay on Bitcoin. Let's just go to, let's see any other coin right now. Okay, let me see if I can pull this is ICP actually. This is the, okay, let's go to the Y with the time frame. Let me pull maybe Dogecoin here, so I know those of you or Floki. Let me just pull Floki here. Floki. I know those of you who follow me, you're investing in Floki or maybe Dogecoin. You can see here. Okay, there's not much data with Floki. I cannot really show you guys, but you can see all obviously from the lines I drew here. It shows that if I'm a buyer, I'm going to see that from this structure, right? There was this huge red candle, at this point, and we saw buyers getting involved again to the upside. Now the price have come back and is at this level. It's trying to respect this level here, this support here. This, let me draw this here. This level is respecting this level, meaning buyers or sellers, this is the level where they don't want to be in the market. They want to be out of the market. Why buyers are buying more in the market. So when you look at this level, like, okay, now I want to, if say I have more money, I'm going to start this my project now. So you're going to start buying, let's say for example you have $100, you're going to say let me start buying Floki for $10 or $20. And if say Floki keep going down, you know that there is this next level of like that Floki might get to, which is this one now, right? This level here. And whenever you get to this level, we're gonna see a bounce back. And if say you buy more again here, and we see a bounce back, you're gonna break even and be in profit. Then you can out again, hoping that there might be a reversal back. Then you buy it again. Then maybe if say it breaks, then you buy it again and it come back to this level, then you can take more profit. So if say you understand all this, guys, it's gonna help you a lot, to take out, to like accumulate or take out profit, be profitable in the market, and so on and so forth. So if say you are watching and you have any questions, then feel free to pose the question to me. But let me show you what I've been up to recently. Actually, I've been up to like learning new stuff. Is really amazing, guys. When you learn new skills, you engage in new stuff, like new ways to make money. Like it feels so good. Like whenever I learn something new, I feel so good because I can share with you guys, what I've learned. Now let's just go to this right now. There's a tool here that called, those of you who are in my Telegram group, if you are not yet on my Telegram group, then you should go and join my Telegram group. The links are found below this video. I've been sharing you guys like awesome new project that I've made a lot of profit recently with this project. Now this is a tool that I use, and this tool is Deck Screener. I've shared this platform to you guys on Telegram and also on WhatsApp. So if say you're not part of my group, make sure you go right now, join my group. Now Deck Screener is a platform where you can see newly added coin in the market. Like when a new coin is launched, you can see it here, and usually the liquidity is so low that 99% of the project of the cryptos that are launched every day are scams, like 99%. But you can make money out of these scams. Like it sounds crazy, right? But you can actually make money out of scams. So let me explain to you. When a scammer go out there in the crypto, there are things you want to see. Like there are scammers who they allow the project to keep on riding, and at one point they're gonna pull our liquidity. So they allow people to trade everything. It looks so good, right? The project looks so good, and they have a Telegram page, you have a group, and it was or Twitter account, like they have like a roadmap. You can see that okay, this is good. These are thoughtful scammers. Like they have actually, look at what is going on in the market. Okay, let's take advantage of this. Now, there are a couple of stuff you have to be looking at whenever you get into a new project. So I'm going to share with you guys right now some of this stuff here. So let's go back to the screen now. Now, I've been trying to understand this platform, and from what I've seen, like you can see here, we have all the chains out there that are available, from Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, Pulse Chain, Avalanche, this Solana, Phantom, or smaller. I mean, there are many of them here, like so many of the chains, guys, so many of them here. But it's ranked from the top to the bottom, so you always want to be on top. Now I chose BSC more because the BSC gas is not that expensive, and most of you follow me. I think you are familiar more with BSC project, like Binance Machine project, but of course the money is in the Ethereum project. So I focus on BSC more and Ethereum less, right? Because I think BAC, I can still make money investing in BAC. Now, okay, so what I do is there's like I go to BAC, right? And you can see from on BAC there's this like Pancake Swap, Uniswap. So I'm gonna choose Pancake Swap, right? To look for project that are launched on Pancake Swap. So now I'm gonna look at like project that have liquidity from 1,000 and that are launched 74 hours, that's 2 days ago, and 120 days. So it limits me that okay, if say a project is going on, let me say from 12 24 to 100, and let me just say 74, 75, 75 days. So if a project is going on during this period, I think to an extent these guys might not rock pull the project instantly, like immediately. They might skip the project, might keep on going. So I just click apply, and it will pull data of all coins that are available here within that range. Now I'm gonna look at the 5 minute volume, like this coins, like 5 minute volume. What is happening with this coin? You can see here that from my search inputs, this is what I got. CCN Ion. Okay, I have been following this project closely, this Ion. Okay, let's say for example you chose this one. Now you're gonna open the charts for you to see what is going on with the project. You can see that for the past day, like how many days? 1, 2, 3 days, this project has been in an upward trend. Okay, that's not enough for you to go and buy. So if you buy now, you are FOMOing in. But unlike, for example, if say this project is Pepe, right, then if you don't buy now, you might as well also miss out on something. So what you can do in this case is do further research, right? You're gonna come down here, right? You're gonna see there are links here, like data here that you can check on. You click on more here, and when you click on more, it's gonna show you like different stuff that you can take advantage of to see what is going on. Okay, let's scan on token sniffer. So before we do that, let's scan for honeypot. If say this is honeypot, honeypot is when you cannot sell. You buy and you cannot sell. It shows you that this is not honeypot. The buy tax is 0%, the sell tax is 0%, which is good. Transfer tax also is 0%. That means you don't have to spend extra money in gas if say you are buying this project. Okay, let's go back now. So we have seen that this project is not honeypot. Okay, let's go to now token sniffer to scan this project. To sniffer, let's see what token sniffer is gonna give us about this project. If say the data here is gonna be something that we can rely on as well. It shows that 70 over 100. Wow, this looks pretty good, right? Everything check, except of at least 95% of liquidity burn lock for at least 15 days. So these guys have locked burn just for 15 days, which is I mean it's a little bit scary, right? But maybe they have reasons to do that, right? Maybe they want to launch on centralized exchanges and so on and so forth. So maybe they have reasons doing that, right? So I've checked that. Now I see that, yeah, this to an extent, this project looks somehow, I mean, they are doing some cool stuff here. So I'm gonna keep doing more research now. So you're gonna see here that there's a go to security. Click on this drop down here. I'm gonna show you everything: buy of the zero tax, sell zero tax. But anti-waste, no, it means whales can come in and accumulate more of it, and holders can, like, this is the amount that the holders are having, and they have two liquidity providers, right? And this is the creator address. Now let me check and look at the creator address on BSC scan and see what is going on here. From the creator address, you can see that this token, this token, like, okay, let's see, this token was created. Let me just go. Let's see here that this token was created 13 days, 2 hours ago, right? It's pretty good. Like, they created it, and this is it. This is the contract, everything. And let's go and check out the contract right now. See like, what are the functions that they are in the contract. You can see if I click on this I, this one way, will show me that this token have actually 4,032 addresses, which is good, and they have made more than 60,000 transfers. That means there's something might be about this project, right? So if, say, we go like downward, the last transactions, we're gonna see what has been going on here. Like, okay, now there's a null address here, which means, okay, there might be liquidity lock or burn, but we already saw that the liquidity was locked at least 15 days, which is what we already know, right? So if I click on this, you're not sure that this is like a burn address and so on and so forth. And yeah, so which is what I've been trying to say to you guys, earlier. So I'm just gonna go back again and check at the next transaction to see, okay, what can I find here, what is going on here with this project. And if I keep going up, maybe I can see where they add the liquidity. So let me just check more and see where this guy add the liquidity, or maybe I can check it from their contract. So maybe let me go to their contract, to the creator wallet, and see if I can find this here when they add the liquidity. So let me see. This is the creator wallet. So let me see when this person added liquidity. Let's see, token was created. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let me try to see when they added liquidity. Usually I just get it instantly, but I'm still trying to see when they add the liquidity to this project. I can see the token was created. Contract creation, yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna find this right now. I think we check transaction, transfer. Yes, let me see. From this. Let me see. I think they use a third party, to lock liquidity. Let me see. Click for more. Let me see. Let me get this correctly. So what actually happened is, I think the liquidity provider is not this person who created this contract. So it's one of those people whom they transfer tokens to. You can see when the token was created, let me see this. Yeah, so they transfer tokens to different, I think, different holders. I think one of these holders are actually the ones who provide the liquidity to this token, but I don't have time to go to keep on for this. But actually, what I wanted you guys to see is you can go to the blockchain and see everything, the codes, like everything, and see the contract functions. You can see like everything, yeah, like the decimal, the name, the symbol. Like when you go to the blockchain, you can see everything going on with this project, like what all the calls, everything. Like for example, let me just say what like once you're done, okay, let me say once you're done with all this, you have seen that okay, this person have added liquidity. Like from what I've seen there, there's no extra function, like that these guys have set, like something like extra tax from the contract. So I didn't find anything like that. So we don't like, when I'm done with that, I'm now gonna go to back to the project, and I'm gonna buy it. If say I want to spend, let's say $20, I want to buy this first for $4. Wait, see, because the price is already too high, and we have been seeing sell-off. Maybe we want to see your sell-off, and then we can pick it up at a cheaper price, right? So don't rush to buy. You can buy now, but maybe like buy with 1% or 5% of the total amount that you want to buy this project. Just $4, and you wait. If say it fall back down, you wait a little bit for some pullback, and if say the investors you don't see more sell-off, that you can buy more of that project. That's how you can get involved in a project at the early stage, and you stay in it until it 100x your investment, right? Or 1,000x your investment. You can see the liquidity there is too low, $221,000, and the market cap is 45 million, which is still pretty low, right? For a project like this. So you really want to actually like for example, let's see how many percent this project have grown ever since it was launched. Let's see. Let me do this price range to see how many percentage that's done ever since it was launched. Yeah, the project has 5x. Yeah, on launch, 5x. So if say you buy it now, right, they might dump it on you. So you can wait a little bit, to see if the investor can take out profit, and if say it comes to this level like 2x reduction, you can buy more. Then maybe it might go back to retest this level year up year. Then you can sell again, and you're gonna make 2x your investment. So that's what I've been doing recently, and it has been really successful for me. Like I've been just playing around with this, looking at new projects. Like if say I go back, I want to see you can do the same with all this project here, but note that like not all of it, like about 99% of this project are scams. But if so you have proper risk management and investment strategies, then you're gonna like pick the best from this, and following what I mentioned, you're gonna pick the best from this, and maybe 2 or 3 might be good that you choose. But maybe you might choose 5 and 3 is good, or 1 is good. That one will pay off the ones you lose, right? So yeah guys, like during the bull market, you can really take advantage of this, because almost all projects are going to be launching are going to be really pumping, when they launch, on platform like this. So yeah, this is just exactly what I wanted you guys to know as well. I mean, I'm gonna be launching the Betong crypto project soon. I want to make this announcement to you guys that I'm gonna be launching the Betong crypto, and this cryptocurrency is gonna be launched on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. And the reason, or the purpose why I'm launching this crypto project is to support what I'm doing. So for you guys who follow my channel, you can decide to buy my crypto to promote my content, because what I'm gonna get, like you're gonna be taxed 10% tax of buy and sell. The 10% is gonna be used to, for me to keep on developing the platform, reaching out to more people to educate them. I don't want to be charging you guys, especially you guys who are on my platform. I don't want to say pay me, to have let's say one-on-one with me. But if you are holding my crypto, you can be part of my sessions, like I'm gonna organize Zoom meetings, one-on-one. So you just holding my crypto can give you access to one-on-one knowledge. Maybe you have like you want me to check on your technical analysis for 5 minutes, just like get on the call with me quickly, and I help you check it out. So holding my crypto will give you that access, to keep on. But if say I say pay me, I don't want you guys to pay me that amount. I want you guys to use that money that you want to pay me, buy and invest in cryptocurrency so you can make more money, right? So supporting the platform is gonna be, you're buying the cryptocurrency or buying the Betong crypto is gonna be how you support me. And one thing also that I want to share with you guys right now is Bitcoin Ordinance. I've been playing with this for the last, like, I think the past week now. And this has been a game changer for me. I've launched some of my own ordinance, and I think it's gonna be huge. The Bitcoin ordinance, the BRC20 is gonna be huge. Let me show you guys the platform. You can go and create your own wallet. I'll start using the Bitcoin ordinance platform. Now, what is Bitcoin Ordinance in the first place? Let's just go quickly to check what is Bitcoin Ordinance. What is Bitcoin? Well, I think I asked ChatGPT to give me a rundown of what is Bitcoin Ordinance. So let me go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT what is Bitcoin Ordinance. So ChatGPT can give us what is Bitcoin Ordinals and examples, so they can give us clearly okay. Okay, yeah. Yes. Now explain to me what Bitcoin Ordinal is all about and how it works. Yes. Why is ChatGPT? Okay, let me do an next another search. What is BRC20? It wow. ChatGPT is not able to give me, so let me try something else. Bitcoin Ordinal explain. Okay, got it. So this is from Cointelegraph. What are Bitcoin Ordinance? So yeah, we can get like like quick overview of what Bitcoin Ordinance is all about. Bitcoin NFT. So Bitcoin NFTs aka Bitcoin Ordinance. Like Bitcoin Ordinance is same as Bitcoin NFT. So NFTs which is run on the Bitcoin network. So these guys have built let's say a layer on the Bitcoin network that you can host or list NFTs on it, or there's like you can build an NFT marketplace, right? So this NFT marketplace is called Bitcoin Ordinance, right? And the Bitcoin Ordinance protocol was launched in January 2023 by Casey Rodamore. The protocol allows inscribing of digital content like art onto the Bitcoin blockchain. Unlike non-fungible token NFTs on Ethereum and other blockchains, Rodamore wanted to create an immutable on-chain presence of a piece of art, text, or video. The Genesis Ordinance was a pixel art of a skull that Furthermore, Inscribe on December 14, 2022. So, in a nutshell, what Bitcoin Ordinance is all about is exactly what NFTs is all about on Ethereum blockchain. So, Bitcoin Ordinance is a way to inscribe or to to inscribe digital art on the Bitcoin blockchain. Yeah, so this is revolutionary, and we have seen lots of creators, building or having their own ordinance, and I have created mine as well. So you can see here that let me show you guys what I've been up to recently. So let me go to my wallet so you can see my ordinance. So these are my ordinance that I have created. So yeah, so if I click here, you can see the BRC. These are mosque news dawns, and so these are my inscriptions that I've they are out there. So I have this right now, like let me show you guys. This is BRC20 mint the Betong crypto, amounts 21,000. So it's listed at this amount, 0.0099 per ordinance. So anyone want to buy this, this is the price that they're going to be buying it, 0.000999, per for one of it, and there are 21,000 of it. So it's pretty cool, and in the future I know this is going to be an awesome opportunity, not only for me but for my community. Those of you who follow my channel, you can start taking advantage of this. If you understand the kind of stuff that I'm building here, then you can already start buying most of my stuff right now. Onto maybe you can buy it like now, and when it gets expensive, then you can now you can sell it. So yeah, you can do that, but of course I'm not saying you should go and do it right now. But this it is a kind of like a way that you can like invest for the future, right? Knowing that this platform is gonna be big, long term. So if say it's kind of this is something you are interested in, then you can go check out my ordinance. You can check out my stuff. I'm gonna leave the link below. Let me see if say I can leave the link here to my stuff. Let me see. Let me see if say I can do that. I think this will be the inscription link, so I can just share it in the chat right now. So those of you, yeah, you can check it out, and yeah, that's it. Check it out and see if there's something that you like, get some of it. And you guys can also do the same. Like you can inscribe your data here, a contract, you can inscribe it here. And how to inscribe it is simple. It's not difficult. You can inscribe an image, you can inscribe a text, you can, like, if say you have a contract with a friend, and the friend, like, for example, you want to buy a house and you guys enter a contract, you can inscribe the contract on the blockchain, and it's going to be there forever. No one can tamper with the contract. Like, just come here, you write the text, then you inscribe. For example, if say I want to inscribe, let's say I love all of my subscribers. If I want to make this like public for everyone to know that I love all of my subscribers, like for example, I might come somewhere and say I don't love my subscribers, you guys can say no, you said that you love, and there's a proof, on the blockchain, on the Bitcoin blockchain, that shows that you mentioned that you love your subscribers, right? So then if I click submit, it will show me like, okay, this is the gas fee I need, to inscribe this on the Bitcoin network. So usually I add more. So add more is gonna give me a time. Okay, now it means if say I do this, right, if I inscribe it using this network fee, then it's gonna be on the Bitcoin blockchain instantly. I'm not gonna do that right now, but I just want to show you guys how you can do it, how you can go about it. It's pretty easy and simple. You can inscribe anything on this Bitcoin Ordinance. You see, want to create a wallet, go on Bitcoin Ordinance. Let me share with you the website that you can create your own your own an account there. It's very important you guys learn how to do this. You can, it's the same like you can be trading on OpenSea marketplace. This is exactly the same thing. You can buy NFTs at a cheaper price right now, which is cheap. The Bitcoin blockchain has almost all of the liquidity in the market, and we have Bitcoin whales out there. So you can never know, what kind of project it might be successful long term. So if say you are an artist, you have an idea, you can create art, you can do stuff, you can inscribe this on a blockchain and pay a little fee at this point in time. That Bitcoin is the fees are so cheap, and you'll be there forever. That's a way you can invest long term, right? So always make sure you take advantage of all this stuff. Making money in cryptocurrency is always instant. It can be in the future, right? You can be making money. You can start building that portfolio right now that you're gonna make money in the future. So yeah, that's it. I've been live now for 46 minutes, I think. I'm gonna maybe yeah, maybe go off now. I don't know if say you are still watching me. Just say you are watching me. Comment below that you are here with me, so I know I'm not alone. Yeah. Guys, you can see, I mean, like, those of you gonna watch this later on, I'm just passionate with what I do. I just love to come here and talk with you guys. It's really, really cool. To create content for you guys, to share my ideas with you guys, to share stuff with you guys. You guys are like my family. And I always want to share with you guys. I always want you guys to understand what is going on in the market. I want you guys to understand how you can take advantage of the market to make profits. The market is so brutal. It's a player versus player market. Someone's out there to dump you, and someone is out there to help you make money. When you see the whales get into the market, when they are dumping, you get out. When they are buying, you get in. When they are dumping, you get out. When you are buying, you get in. That's how you make money. They have a lot of capital. They move the market. You cannot contest with them. You cannot contest with them, right? It could be banks, big firms that have a lot of money. For example, let's say JP Morgan might buy 1 billion worth of Bitcoin, right? And when you are in the market, when they start buying it, the price of Bitcoin will eventually go up, and you can take advantage of that. When they stop, someone will start taking out profit, and you should be among that person. And when you look at those levels that I mentioned, which is support and resistance level, do not give you an opportunity to know when to actually take out profit, or maybe buy more of your coin. So this is important, and yeah, it's important. Okay, guys, I don't have much to discuss again with you guys, but I want to wish you all the best in what you do. The bull market is coming soon. From next month, I think from next month you can start looking at ways to entry point for your cryptocurrencies. I think if say Bitcoin doesn't break that level that I showed you guys, then we might see more upside for other cryptos, but not yet. You have to make sure you have a good entry point when you're buying. Okay, bye guys. That's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And if you haven't yet subscribed, then do subscribe. Right? Make sure you join my Telegram. The links are found below this video. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry.